Hello everyone, welcome back to my review channel. So today we are reviewing a table from Costco. This table is 6 feet long, it's foldable, and it's not that heavy. So the great thing about this table is you can take it anywhere, you can use it for anything. So we're going to use this for our YouTube table, and I'll show you guys set up. Alright, let's go set it up. Alright, so I'm in the middle of redoing our office. So this table is going to be good for a YouTube table. It's very simple. Pull the legs out. This will latch in place. So once you open it up, go ahead and flip it. And there we have it. And there we got our table set up. So this table came damaged. Corner right here's smashed in, and there's some scuffs over here. But we're gonna buy a tablecloth so you don't see any of that. So it's not a big deal at all. Because yeah, well over here. So let me show you guys. This is a table as well that we're using, so we're going to get a cloth just like that for this. So cover it up nicely.